Hello everyone, welcome to Psychology 302, Section 1, Advanced Research Methods Testing Hypotheses. My name is Dr. Roygardner and I'll be your instructor for the course. This is a welcome video and tour of our course site. You will see that I post weekly announcements with updates on our front page. You can also see our course banner at the top here. If you look along the left navigation pane, you will see all the items you will need to click to navigate through our course site. First, we have Getting Started link, where you can see information about our first week and how to prepare for our course. Please read through our syllabus in entirety. Next, you will see the announcements page link to bring us back. You will see the syllabus link, where you can access the syllabus, and instructor contacts, where you will see my email address, a photo, and a brief bio. Important to note is our weekly assignments link, where you can see what we will work on each week, with some due dates and assignments. Also important is our discussions link on the left, which will bring you to our discussion boards, where you will post, and then you will also reply to your peers. There are additional links with resources and reference materials about our final paper. I want to welcome you all to our class, and I look forward to a great semester. Thank you, and see you in the course.